Alright, this video is Tesla owners that have cameras that are not working, any camera. I'll show you how to potentially reset them and to see if it's a software or a hardware issue. So you may or may not have this thing that says Autopilot cameras unavailable, APPW305. If your Autopilot is not working because of a camera, you might get a code similar to this depending on which camera is not available. So yeah, so if the camera is not working, your Autopilot probably ain't working either. So first things first, on the bottom left, click on that car feature, and then here you want to scroll down, click on software, and then you want to hold down on this for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then type in the word service, and then click OK, and then click enter. So now you're going to see this red box. That's your service mode. The middle is going to be your tabs or your index. Left is your car, and the right is going to be the information that you need for each part. So what we're going to be looking for is the cameras. So in order to get to the cameras, you want to click on driver's assistance or assist, and then you want to click on cameras, and then you'll see all of these things come up. As you can tell, my left repeater fender camera is red, so that means my camera is not working, or the connection to it is no good. If all of yours are green, that's great. That means all your cameras are connected. Or if one of them is red, it could be hardware. If it's a hardware issue, you want to replace that hardware camera. If it's not a hardware issue, you could try to reset the software to see if it reflashes it. So it's possible that for some reason something triggered it, and what you could do is refresh it to see if it recommunicates back with it. So in order to do that, right down here you got 5 options. You got camera preview. If you click on that, you'll see all the cameras. You can actually, if you click on that, it gives you each cameras up here, live stream of it. So it gives you the main one, the wide, narrow, left door pillar, fender. For example, you click on left door pillar, and it gives you my left door pillar, or my left fender that's missing is all black because it's not connected or it's broke. My right door pillar, there's that. So you can kind of check each camera to make sure everything's working. Click on the X to get out of there. So back to this part, you see one is red. So what you want to first do is click reset DAS, driver's assistance, and then click run. Then you see this thing come up, press your brake, and then this goes up for about 10 seconds. You hold it until it spins. After it's done spinning, it says reset DAS. Click on that, and this says it's been successful. You can rerun it if you want. In our case, it already did that. Press this back. Go to close that. So it should reset it if everything's fine. If it's not fine, one of these will be red. So that's how you reset the software or reflash the camera calibration. Okay. You can also click on these other ones where it says clear camera calibration. You can click run on that. You can do calibration for the front, the back. If it's the front, then if it's the front cameras, you want to go with forward facing. If it's your back ones, you want to go with the back ones, and then you just click run. So again, clear calibration, run. It's doing its thing. Progress. And it's green, so anytime it's green is good. So you want to close that out. Okay. As you can see, it reflashes it. My left pillar is still red because I haven't fixed it yet, but I just wanted to show this. as an example for you guys. So you can clear camera calibration, you can check each camera with a camera preview, reset the driver's assistance afterwards, and if you wanted to, you can also do the ping DAS can if you wanted to, but really you don't really need to do those. Just these two are fine. The reset DAS and clear camera calibration should clear all these. Now if you get one that's red like I mentioned, that is a hardware issue. You will probably need to see if there's condensation there, or if the connection has been disturbed, or maybe there's mice and they've chewed on the cable. You want to look at all those other parts. So that's how you reset the cameras, or at least how to reflash them on a software version. And if any of these is red, again, your autopilot as well will not work. So give that a try. If it helps, leave a comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Oh yeah, and then to exit, you just press this here, and you're back to your car. Good luck.